This is not a bad Uber. Thank you for picking me up, sirs.
Anytime, brother.
We're going to Cars and Coffee. If you guys haven't seen this car in a while. Damn. Fucking Skyline sign looks crazy. Shit's badass. So aggressive. Sorry, my camera lens is fucked up because I just came out the house. Damn, look at that Z, bro. Hell yeah. Shit look like my color. I like that. It's clean. Damn, crazy amount of cars today. So we at Cars and Coffee. It's been a minute since we've been here. About to check out some cars. The boy Chris came and picked me up because your boy can't drive right now, so we out here about to check out some whips. I will showcase the ones I like the most, and yeah, we just get to walk around and see what's out here. Here's Chris's car again. Shit looks so fucking clean. He got a crazy setup of wheels coming for this thing. I'm not gonna tell anybody what it looked like, but that shit's gonna be fire. There he is. We saw these two guys coming, well, these two cars with us right here. Two Beamers. Damn, we got Blown Mafia out here. They bought the whole rig. Jesus. He bought both of the cars. That's crazy. We did a podcast with Bradley and he was talking about these cars. But look at this thing. That is wild.
It's so much fun. It's even more fun.
Blown Mafia. Represent. For the Rot Rods. That's insane. Twin Rot Rod. It's crazy. Twin turbo with a supercharger. And that one is triple supercharger.
But you don't have.
Holy crap, bro. That's nuts. We definitely gotta wait to hear these things because we left last time before they put these back, like one day the show.
Oh yeah.
So we never got to hear them. Yeah. Yeah, I think it was that one, the triple supercharged one. That's wild.
I guess he thought he had.
Hot take. What is the best thing about Cars and Coffee?
The people.
People?
The people.
Sir?
The event is just spaced out well. Definitely spaced out well. It's nice and easy to get to.
It is. I mean, you gotta have a good place to do a place, you know, do an event like this with this many cars. You have to have it.
There's always a good turnout.
That's why you should come to Cars and Coffee. Concord is definitely the bomb.com. It's a sick GTR over there. That dude came all the way from Greensboro. So did the other car. Loki's always with that guy. I wouldn't be surprised if he's out there.
I did. I was trying to think of it.
Damn, look at the Road Rider. That's sick.
Yeah, I think it was like this.
Right, 32. Yep.
Much more.
Damn, we got a young Supra. Hey, my man got the mook off. Straight chilling. Holy crap. I feel like if you're driving that big thing, you need a CDL to drive that bitch. That thing is huge. That's a semi-truck. I think, holy crap. Damn, this Lotus is freaking cool. That is sick. thing is super sick. Going to go get some food and the sexy mobile. How do you feel about your sexy mobile, sir?
It's not sexy enough. Come October, it'll be
Even
pure
sexier?
sex.
Hey, let's go. October.
At that point, XXX at that point. Right now it's just NR.
You heard it here
Not
first.
rated.
You heard it here first.
It's not rated.
Another yellow car.
White sea.
Very rare you see them.
Damn, Zaddy. How much for one of those? $2. Shit, it's just small. I got $1.50. I'll give it to you for $1.75. Bet. Alright, fellas.
Nice little M3zo. He said your shit was slow, bro. What's up?
That guy?
That guy said your shit was slow,
It is
bro.
slow. It is slow. It's only map one. It's very slow. Wait till I get some terp skis.
I think it's clean though. Bro, did you see they got the fucking plastic on the seats?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I got grandma seat covers.
What's going on here?
You're gonna take the fucking car out, Jimmy. Make sure they go colors.
6 cars ahead of you, Jimmy.
That thing is nice though. It's super clean. E36 M3. Fire.
Jimmy, the